In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Excel not highlighting cells. Sometimes you click around in Excel and nothing seems to select. The active cell border just does not move or light up. We will walk through a few quick checks that usually get selection working again, without changing your data or your formulas. Follow along on your own screen so you can see each change as it happens. First, click a different cell. Move your mouse to any other cell in the sheet, maybe one or two columns away from where you were stuck, and click once. Look for the thin green or black outline to jump to that new spot. If the border moves and the fill color changes where you expect, then Excel has released whatever it was doing and is tracking your clicks again. Many times Excel is just waiting on the last cell, and a single click somewhere else is all it takes to wake it up. If the click did not help, press ESC on your keyboard. Find the escape key at the top left of your keyboard and tap it once. This key cancels many half-finished actions in Excel, such as a formula you started typing or a range you began dragging. After you press Escape, the editing cursor inside the cell should disappear if it was active, and any moving dashed border around a copied range usually stops. That tells you Excel has canceled the previous mode and is ready to listen to new selections. Now try selecting the cell again. Move back to the cell you actually wanted, and click it one more time. Watch for the cell border to appear around it. And if you had a fill color or conditional format there, it should still display as before. On many machines, that simple sequence of pressing Escape and clicking again is enough to fix the highlight issue, because Excel stops thinking you are still editing something. If you can now drag across a few neighboring cells and see the rectangle follow your mouse, selection is working again. If the cell still does not highlight, close Excel. Go to the Excel window and close it so that the program shuts down fully. If Excel asks whether you want to save, choose the option that makes sense for your work so far, since this does not repair or change your file content by itself. Once the window disappears and you are back to your desktop, Excel is no longer running in the background. Closing the program clears temporary glitches, like when Excel got stuck after a copy or a paste. After that, open Excel again and try selecting a cell. Start Excel the same way you normally do. Then open the workbook you were using, or a blank one if you prefer to test. Once the grid appears, click any single cell and look for the border to show around it. Try clicking a few more cells in different rows or columns, and confirm that the highlight follows each click right away. In most cases, restarting Excel like this resets whatever caused the selection to freeze, so normal highlighting is restored. You have now used a few simple steps to get Excel highlighting cells properly again, which brings basic selection back under your control. If this walkthrough helped you get your cells selecting again, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and you can always subscribe for more Excel fixes whenever you need them.